Ciao a tutti! Hello, dear friends! Ni hao ma? In this very special period, to feel in contact together, we like to share our music, dance, and nice memories with you. We do hope you will enjoy our present from Armonie Venete, Rosa Antico, and Le Corde del Mondo. Music and art bring energy, and it's an extraordinary experience to play in the beautiful Venice and in Veneto land. We are happy to introduce you in the rich cultural world of Italian composers like Vivaldi, Albinoni, Scarlatti, Clementi, Paganini, Tosti, and the great opera composers as Bellini, Puccini, Donizetti, Verdi, and much more. Let us send everyone a wish for each of us of a new start with enthusiasm, to build together new projects and happy moments. See you soon. Bye bye.